So we're putting a clock spring. I bought an OEM from Toyota. My cruise control is not working and my airbag light is on. Let's see, so that airbag right there stays on. Hopefully that solves the issue and my cruise control. So first thing first is we're gonna disconnect the battery, and then we have two torques, one right here, another one right here on this side, and then the airbag should come off. And there's a 17 right there. I'm not sure if I have to take out the 17 to take out the steering wheel to get the clock spring, but I know the airbag has to come off for sure. Steering wheel, we still don't know, but just a size 17 or 19. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. So it does seem that we have to take out the steering wheel. This is a 19. Unplug the airbags. Just unclip them with the screwdriver. Pull that up a little bit, and then it should come out. And then unplug this because the whole steering wheel is gonna come out. When you do take it off, make sure it's aligned. Like, make sure it's straight. That way when you put it back, it's not crooked. So I'm gonna loosen that bolt up. It's gonna loosen up a little bit and then able to pull it out because it is gonna get stuck, and that bolt is gonna help me so it doesn't hit me in the face. So everything's off. Just gotta take off a Phillips here, Phillips right here. You also have one right here, and this plastic should come off, and there should be like two plugs down here to unplug it. Then the clock spring is just held on by clips, like probably 1, 2, and 3 right here, which you just gotta pull out. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. So there it is, both clips right there are plugs. Then you got a clip right here, a clip down here, and a clip down here. That's all that holds it on. This one, on the new one, basically if the steering wheel's straight how it's supposed to, it should have a marking right here. These two arrows are supposed to be aligned to each other, and it's supposed to be 5 turns. So if you're gonna use one, basically it's able to rotate 5 turns. So basically to have it in the middle, you're gonna have 2.5 turns going this way. That's gonna be your center, and then you're gonna be able to go 2.5 the other way. So if you don't know, just twist it until it gets a little hard. That's basically at the end. Just go back 2.5 until you're up here, and then you should be straight. This new one should be reset. It has this, so it won't move anywhere. So once I break that or take that off, then I could put the new one, and it's already in the middle. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. So there it is. I put the clock spring and everything back together, steering wheel, airbag. I almost forgot to put this, but if you do, you can still put it on. You just gotta mess around with the steering wheel a little bit. You're able to get the bolts or the screws. When you tighten it, you do have to lock it up. That's why when I locked up, it was already almost upside down. But since I already aligned it, it should be fine. Now all I gotta do is connect the battery and go for a test drive and see if the light turn keeps staying on. There you go, airbags is off. That was the issue. Usually it's always a clock spring. Now to do the cruise control, I'm gonna go